As the professional functional clothing ODM and OEM provider, BOWINS Garment is expert in professional design and rapid sample clothes customization, small and medium batch, lean production and quality control, excellent sales service team, and whole network marketing, which help us to serve global customers. The company's main products include motorcycle clothes, hunting clothes, functional workwear clothes, fishing clothes, and other professional functional clothing. Excellent senior designers, pattern makers, and samplers are our real wealth and true competitiveness. Stick on the philosophy of customer first. BOWINS Garment is always providing professional OEM and ODM services worldwide to customers. By integrating product development, design, and sample production, refine the functions of each technical post, and strive to create a professional, passionate, energetic, united, and effective team. Now, BOWINS Garment has more than 300 employees, 2 own factories, covering an area of more than 15,000 square meters, and has 15 years of clothing experience, equipped with professional production equipment, equipped with multifunction automatic template machine, with the production scale enlargement and product improvement, the advanced intelligent production equipment, automatic production line, spreading machine, automatic cutting table, template machine, automatic pattern machine, HH brand seam tape seam machine, press machine, and special machines for seamless garments. These machines and new IE technologies help us to greatly improve the manufacturing efficiency and quality level of functional clothing product. Saved product costs and shortened delivery time. BOWINS Garment can produce more than 1 million functional clothes per year for worldwide customers. Professional design, focusing on manufacturing. Excellent service. BOWINS Garment looks forward to sincere cooperation with mutual benefits.